Fast forward a week later, and sure enough, eating that flesh was healing my arm up nicely. But I was getting kinda low on the remaining flesh. Luckily, I had just stumbled upon a new town. I just happened to see a group of fellow zombies just standing in front of a door to some shop. So, I walked on over, decided to see what all the fuss was about. Turns out, there wasn't much of nothing there. They were just trying to get inside, but couldn't open the door. So, I opened it up for them. Come on in. We're open for business.
Oh no, man. They got in.
Aw, crap. Some guys, never mind. So, do you guys think you could teach me what exactly I'm supposed to do? You see, after I turned, I didn't get any kind of new instincts. Like, I have zero craving for human flesh. And, I'll be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. Whoa! I understand you're supposed to eat it all, but come on. Maybe not that part. I mean, that is his, well, manhood. Really? Come on. There's plenty more of him to eat. Wait, no, I don't want... Damn it, no. I'm not going to eat this. I'll just, stick it here. Damn. I'll say one thing. The ladies must have seriously loved his goods. Lucky bastard. Not that I don't mind relaxing every so often, but maybe we could go outside, get some fresh air. Maybe, wash this blood off? Hey, like I said, I don't really know how to act. Oh, I got an idea. I saw a bar down the road. Let's go check it out. Huh. Can I even get drunk? Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's go and see, guys. Bang, bang, bang.
There's too many. We gotta get out of here.
I told you this would happen, but no, you had to get a drink. Bang.
I just wanted an escape. Just one day to be normal.
I hear you, buddy. I just wanted the same. Damn, buddy. Looks like you could really use some liquor. There you go, buddy. I know you can't do it yourself. Just try not to waste it all. Woo! Damn, that's good. Phew! Looks like you sure can hold your liquor. Hey, I'm sorry about your buddies. I didn't think they'd get killed and stuff, and I guess that's just the life of a zombie. I don't know why people disintegrate, discriminate against zombies. We just trying to survive. Huh. I guess they are too. Don't think I could blame them, really. We stink pretty badly. I could use a shower myself. Holy, almighty, damn. I hope that was a fart. And that's a big massive nope. Look, I've been there before. So don't feel bad. I sat there drinking my sorrows away, talking to this zombie that just shit himself. And suddenly, I find myself waking up with a massive hangover. Now, the good news was I could totally get drunk. Bad news was I have no idea how I got here.